Okay, so my first thing I want to try is just going out here. Lead up to the castle. Where's the gosh dang moon? Frick. One of these areas, I forget which room it is exactly, but the one with the piano and the fairies is my next good candidate to check. Oops. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta go to space. On chugging, do 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 do. Well, there's a moon. However, it is not red. Does that matter? How did I do the thing? There we go. Well, that's disappointing. Okay. I'll recognize it when I see it. Gotta search the whole dang castle again. Go through my memories. What I have forgotten. Oh. Why do I have a marker there? What is this marker for? Oh, I think it's just the map bugging out. Sometimes it does that. There we go. I was gonna keep going right, but I was like, I should check up here. Just walking around. Holy shit. Den of Behemoths. Oh my gosh. I see. Oh! Now it's giants? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, big toad! Oh my gosh! Hey, thanks for the waystones. Gambler's ring. What does that do? Oh my gosh! This rules. What is that noise though? I don't like it. Wait, where's... Oh, that's just weird is all that is. Uh-oh. Alfred, how did you get here, you dork? You tiny little old dork?
Alfred!
The book.
Yeah, you dummy.
The Liber Logaeth? What about it?
She stole it.
I brought your apprentice like you. What happened here?
He fucked up.
Master, who did this to you?
Thank you, Zangetsu. Johannes, I must beg a boon of you.
What? All right. Miriam, we need to talk.
Probably.
Yes. I thought Alfred was our enemy.
Dominique seemed so keen on pitting me against the old alchemist that I decided to have a word with him after you and I fought.
Is Dominique really evil after all?
And unfortunately, he confirmed my suspicion.
Which is?
Dominique has been manipulating.
I knew it! I knew it!
I'm not certain why.
Heck.
Wait, what?
If she had wanted to deal with this mess in an expedient manner, she would have sent you and me to deal with Jebel
You and
together.
I.
But instead, she divided our strength and insisted I chase after Alfred. It didn't make any sense. Alfred was never trying to get in our way.
I'm not sure about you, but he got in my way.
You misunderstand. All he wanted was to keep you as far away from the castle as possible.
Why?
Because you were the most attuned.
Attuned to what?
He was afraid we would get possessed too, I bet.
Of all the humans transplanted with crystal, you had the greatest ability to wield the demon's power. Alfred feared you would be used.
Yeah.
Then why didn't he say so?
Would you have believed him? Dominique had already won over you and Johannes both.
Heck.
And even if you had been inclined to listen, he knew you too well to think that you would back down.
I suppose I wouldn't.
She's very hot. Sorry, I'm going with Dominique.
What do you think Dominique is plotting?
As I said, I know not. We will just have to find her.
It was too suspicious, all
And
the
ask her.
the things adding up, finding her in the weird secret laboratories, her picture in the castle. I don't know.
Miriam,
She was so good at playing it
the
off.
master wants to talk to you.
Miriam, forgive me for dragging you into all this. I am responsible for all your misfortunes. I hope you can find it in your heart to...
Alfred?
Rip. He's just taking a nap.
He must have known he would not leave here alive. We can grieve later. Right now, we need to put an end to all this, or his death will mean nothing.
You're right.
Johannes, he explained everything to you.
Yes. I know what I need to do.
Then let us begin. First, Gremory. She can't be far. But her mastery of subspace allows her to move about freely.
We're tiny.
In other words, she's likely to slip away again.
I have a way of stopping her from leaving. She knows I have given up the Zangetsuto, and will spring at me then, believing me powerless. That is when you strike. I will go on ahead. Join me as soon as you think you are ready.
Heck.
I can't do much of anything until you get back the Liber Logaeth. I'm sorry I can't be of more help. But for now, this is in your hands, Miriam. Be safe.
I will, Johannes.
I'll be in the village if you need me.
What about Dominique? I can call her that though, right? It's just a nickname, it's for her name is all. I'm glad I went right first. Oh gosh, that's... God! I got my diamond back. Oh! Oh shit! It's, yeah, because it's literally the room we just came from. But huge. Oh my god. This is so silly. Millionaire's key! Okay, that's that key. Oh, giant power! Cashmere. Isn't this where the Warhorse door is? Or am I mixing that up? Ah! Oh, fuck! Oh! I was like, what is making that noise? I thought that was just rocks on the ground. Release Toad! Oh! I can't hit it until it's... Oh! Giant MP max. Isn't this where the, the Iron Maiden that was blocking the way was? Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, this was a boss! Okay, so I can farm these guys now. Hell yeah. Oh, Jesus! Giant bats! Oh my gosh! This is so funny. 1,000 gauze. That's not even much money. Not to be ungrateful, but... $500 gauze. Okay, mediacal. Yeah, the giant frog. Ooh! Health. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This game rules. Oh my god. Speaking of the fairy room. Giant morph. Oh my gosh! tasty wine. Flame cannon. Ah, shit. I feel like I should be exploring more. What? Dragon's Wrath. Oh, I need those! Yes! I think that's for augment strength or something. One of those. Something that I really want. Dragon hacks. Oh, for grinding out 2 times Dragon Egg? Hell yeah. Someday I'll learn techniques, maybe. Holy shit. Giant bookcase! 2 months have passed! The church vanquished the demons! But too much human life had been lost. Once it was found we had a hand in the affair, my superiors were executed and the guild left crippled. Alchemy's principle held. We sacrificed everything and gained just as much misery. Only by some miracle was my life spared. Giebel did not die in the ritual. He is here, flanked by demons who delivers judgment to the alchemists. My own punishment has come, and it will be far worse than the others. To the shardbinders who died at my hands, forgive me, and to you, my dear friend Alfred, I should have listened. May God have mercy on me. We are small. But I guess it could go either way. Ooh, okay. Normal save room. 89% exploration. Holy shit. Oh my god. Wait. What? Hello?
Let's put your luck to the test.
What? What? Oh, he's losing coins in his skeleton ribcage.
Plunder.
No, my money! How do I see my money? He's taking my money! He's taking my money! He took all of my money! Give me back my money, you jerk! He's harder to beat the more money you have! I'm glad I'm a poor bitch. You didn't even have a boss store! Oh god. Do I get my money back? Oh! Gold bullet, 1% of your total gold and throw it. Okay, thank hack. That was weird. An unexpected. Oh, how do I get down there? Ah. It just, yeah, come and get the, ooh. Valkyrie tiara? Oh, baby. Oh, it doesn't have the resistances, but it is more defense. And it does look very cool and goes with the Valkyrie dress, so we gotta. Yeah, that's funny, I like that. Yeah. They didn't even have a boss door, though. But I could kind of figure it out before I went into the giant poker chip room. Like, this is definitely not an arena. Oh, this... I could have just gone here. It's okay, saving is good for the heart. Back! Frog! Oh, they're just giving me a ton of waystones, like, hey, if you want to leave, you can. Oh, hi. Big Wolfie! Ooh, a blue. Feral Claws. Interesting? Oh, okay. I thought I would be the one doing it. I guess that's fine. Wait, oh, the big ones give you the familiar also, where the normal ones don't. You gotta get it from the carts. Oh, this is maybe where the, oh, I need those! Oh, and here's the well. Gosh, they can't just do the whole castle, right? This is insane. Ah, which I'm so torn on which ways to go. You could think those doors were the normal size. Symphony of the Night sometime. I probably should, yeah. Oh, I was wondering if we'd ever get an ice area, because yes! I was like, the one elemental I hasn't seen is ice elemental. What are you doing? Oh, who's that in the background? Hey, what's your deal? There's a bunch of frozen boys. I want to go and explore the rest of the castle, though. Secrets? Oh, is that a boss door? Oh, shit. Crescent Strike. I think that's the one I picked up. A warp. Okay, so that means there have to be other warps in here. Oh, it doesn't have to be, I guess, but it would be nice. Crystal armor. Maps moops. We're just chilling. There we go. Resist ice. Yeah. Oh, did I miss it? Ah, it didn't. Weighted ring. Oh, I already have one of those. Oh, increases your experience. Interesting. Also, I got this from the trade. At you, butthole. Yeah, this is a boss. Wait. Right? Hello? What if I do fire, huh? What if I heat you up, melt you? No? Okay. Bye. I gotta kill these guys for the quest. It's 3 out of 6. Oh! Oh, that's a chair. You know, nice little ice chair. Okay. Crystal, which doesn't really matter to me. One more. Any secrets over here? This reminds me of the ice caves in Terraria. Ooh, large lad! Thank you. Orichalcum, finally! Axe strike. Oh, hey, get hecked! Holy shit! Oh, it didn't even kill it. You shot at a little guy? The Warhorse key! I feel like... I think this map is the same as where this normally leads to the underground waterway, just frozen. I could be wrong, but that's what it feels like based on the layout. Very special cannon. Shot out of little friends. Ow, you jerk. Dude, these jerks that go through the walls are so annoying. Fragarak. What's a Fragarak? Holy shit! Why do I have so many of those? Wait, where's the Fragarak? I think I missed it. There it is. A holy sword. Interesting. Oh, you're an eyeball. Oh, I don't like that at all. Okay, but also I missed a chest. Oh, okay. Great. Needed that. Gross. Get out of here, you jerk. No, I meant to... Gosh dang it.